Come on, come on. Easy does it. I'm getting close. I can feel it. Yes! We have contact! Just one more step. Nailed it! Booyah!
Wow, thanks! Nice!
Yeah, I'm a boss.
What's that? Pretty cool, right? I made it myself. Wanna play? Yeah. You made this?
This is ridiculous! Stupid homemade junk!
Don't be rude!
Hey!
What, you wanna fight? Huh?
What the? Whoa!
Where are we?
Wow! You can say that again. Me first. Ooh, this is interesting. And oh so stretchy. Squish factor is out of this world.
Wow.
I know, right?
Did I get one too? Oh. Maybe not. What do I do with these?
Cut something? Not my problem. Can I borrow these? I've got work to do. What's in this thing? Oh, are you seeing this? Gross, but also awesome. No more squish. He's squashed.
Poor guy. He's totally flat. What a shame. Wait! Why not fill him up with the good stuff? I'm talking glitter, of course. Let's do this, people! A little air will do you good. Glitter good, that is. How gorgeous is that? Whoa, getting a little big here. Maybe just a bit more. So sick! What a beauty!
No way!
This thing's huge! Woohoo! Get wiggly with it! It's like he's dancing!
Okay, let me jiggle him. Wow, so nice. It's so satisfying.
I know, right?
Now what?
Let's find out. What's this? Some sort of maze? But where do I start?
You figure it out. Me, on the other hand? Slime, baby!
What?
I can get used to this. And the stretch factor? Very good. This gives me a great idea. Watch this. Everyone's invited to this party. The more slime, the merrier. Just mix it all up, baby. I'm loving this. And it's about to get even better. I need more! More! Sprinkle time! So beautiful.
Oh, wow!
Believe it. Then fold it. Like a glittery, slimy omelet. But way more fun to play with. Whoa, look at this bad boy! Cool!
Is it?
Yeah, that's enough. A pink one.
What do I do? Solve it, I guess. But in my own special way. Just follow the lines, okay? Start here. And finish up here. See? I'm done. But I need some slime.
What?
Trust me on this one. Just watch and learn. Now spread that slime. Here's where things get interesting. You ready to play? Hey, look at this! Start here. Then push it along its merry way. See? So squishy. And oh so satisfying.
Wait, let me try it. Hey, that is satisfying. And I'm bringing it home.
Hey, let me finish it!
Together?
Yeah! We did it!
Yes! Come on, bring it in. Not bad.
I don't know. Wait! Let's trade?
No!
But I really want to!
You do? Okay, fine. Just take it.
Yay! What's inside? Ooh, this is different. Wow, what's in this thing? Whoa, see that? So cool!
I guess I'll open yours then. Legos? Things are about to get interesting. And I know just what to build. I sure hope I have enough pieces.
Huh?
Don't talk, I'm trying to concentrate. Almost there. Ooh, how do you like that? I even built a jet.
Amazing!
Wait a sec. Don't forget the interior. There's a lot going on in here.
No fair! I can build stuff too, you know. Okay, Goo? Be gone! Nice! You can see all the little pieces. I can mold this into anything. Nice. Flat as a pancake. Yep. Well, what do you think?
It's no fighter jet! Come on. So tight. Okay. There. I can fill this thing up too. In you go. How many can I fit in? Gotta get rid of all that pesky air. Looking good, looking good. Let the molding begin. So many little pieces in there. You can even stretch it. Ta-da!
Wow, very cool. I'm loving this. Oh yeah.
I want to open it, so I will. What's this thing anyway? It's not alive, is it? Wait, are those nose holes? Perfect fit. Wait.
Whoa! Nice tongue, bro.
Yeah, it's awesome, right?
Maybe I have one too. Or not. What do I do with this? I don't even have a drink. Now what?
Wait a minute. I know.
Hey, that was rude.
Yeah?
Stop that!
Never!
Okay. Enough, alright? What do I know. From straw to something amazing. Just you watch. A little glue goes a long way. Let's get rolling, folks. Now for another step. Circle, please. Now fold it in half. And add some froggy hands. I see you. And now are you seeing things clearly? I'm making my own froggy mask. Just one more important feature left. The tongue! All done. Pretty brilliant. Well, watch out! Pretty annoying, isn't it? Gotcha! Hey, what's that? Playing cards? Look!
Where'd you find those?
Look at these folds.
Down at the bottom?
It can stand.
Pretty cool.
Yep, they can all stand together.
Yeah, look!
Aw, they're all so cute. And they're going down. Let's go.
Oh yeah?
3, 2, 1, go! Knock him out! I'm doing it! Last one!
Hey, let me catch up, will ya? Booyah! Woohoo!
Wow, one more.
Oh yeah? Call it a tie?
Well?
I guess I'll open it first. Ooh, a watch. Very nice. Now I have 2.
I hope I have a watch too. What? Paper? Scissors? No watch in sight.
Now what? Wait a minute.
Wow, so cute.
Like what you see?
But I have this watch.
How about 2?
2? No thanks.
No?
That's more like it.
Pleasure doing business with ya. I'm back with new bling. Like what you see?
No way! How?
Wait till you see what I can do. That's what time it is.
Seriously? Wow.
That's just the tip of the iceberg. Say hello, kitty. See?
Wow, that's incredible.
I know.
I can do that too. It's just gonna take a little bit of work. Meow. Pretty cute, right? With a few careful cuts, I'll make her come alive. Prepare to be amazed. Open the box. It's super cozy in here. Don't you think? Perfect for a tiny little kitty. Hope there's a litter box in there. And now I can take it everywhere with me. Wearable art. You like? Well?
Well, what?
Wait for it. Hold on to your hat. This kitty's going upstairs. Aw, I think it's time for bed.
Wait, that's incredible!
Isn't it?
Way to go!
Yep, we did it!
Ladies first.
If you say so. Paper clips? Okay.
What a lame box. Hopefully mine's a little bit more elevated. Wow, what's this? Funky. I love a good jellyfish. See this?
Wow! I have an idea! So beautiful, right? Yay!
Pretty sweet. Show us what you can do, jellyfish. So cool! Do your thing. Without being tied to a string. Hey, look at him go! He's coming your way! He's magnificent!
Oh, I want something cool too! I know! Time to link these bad boys together! But I'll also need a straw. Well, a little piece of it anyway. Yep, that's all I need. Here's where the real fun starts. Let's get wiggly with it! Everyone join in! So cute! My own little gaggle of guys!
What? Those are nothing!
You sure about that? Because I'm just getting started. Have fun in there, guys! See?
What?
Just watch. They stay upright, see? And they can swim too. Ta-da! Up and down they go. Aren't they incredible? So fun!
You made those?
Yep, that's right.
Hey, can we train them?
Okay, that's fine. Wow, this thing's cool.
Yep, ditto.